Hi, I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Sean, and we're from the West End of Brampton.
It allowed us to get back to a home that we loved. We were not happy here, and to be completely honest, we had debated moving, selling this or renting it or doing something with it and moving elsewhere. We decided to do this renovation in order to recapture space, reuse space that wasn't usable to us, and now we love our house.
And I don't have to spend another minute in the same office with you ever again.
Yes. I wish. If I had one wish, we should have split offices like years ago.
Oh, absolutely.
We had one office in which two people worked out of, and we've done that for 8 years. We now have separate offices. Both of us are very different people. Our offices reflect our personalities, reflect how we need to use them. We are so much happier as a couple because of that. That change alone is huge.
Oh, we have a front door now.
We have a front door.
We have a working front door now.
We have a front door that is nice to enter,
Yes. Yeah.
which we love having people come in the front door. That is pretty amazing. Our games room, this room here, is basically net new to us, so it's a brand new room. We're loving the ability to entertain our friends upstairs in our kitchen and serve them, and then bring them down here and play games so that you don't have to look at the mess that's from the kitchen. Tracy made sure, because my office is on the other side of this wall, but she made sure that it's soundproof. So he can be watching TV and I can be working or doing whatever I want in the other room, and that's amazing. But also, by gaining the extra space, it meant that a spare room is actually a spare room, and it's cute and nice, and I'm excited for that. And when a friend calls up and says, "Can I borrow your home?" I can just let her borrow my home. The best thing is that when I do laundry, I'm tall, so I hang a lot of my clothes, and now I just hang them up in the laundry room. They're not draped all over my house looking awful. They dry down there. I pick them up 24 hours later, fold them, put them away. It is amazing. Oh, and the room is clean and bright, and if you don't do laundry, you don't understand how important this is.